So today on the table, I've got myself a Lenovo Mix 510. Mix spelled M-I-I-X. Not sure if it's pronounced any different, but I'll stick with that. Anyway, this one has a few T5 screws down the bottom underneath the kickstand. Now, the issue that this particular one has got is good old no charging. Tried two different chargers, one brand new, one the existing charger. No charge light, nothing at all. So what I'm planning on doing now is tearing it down and just checking on the back of the charger pin itself. Usually with these kind of devices, they get used quite often, usually on a lap, and the cable gets knocked, typically ends up damaging the charger port. Just wiggling it with a pair of tweezers, I didn't really get any movement on it, so I believe what's happened is the back of the jack itself, where the pin pushes in, is broken. Anyway, time to open it up. The kickstand's been opened. Now I'm going to use a thin blade or a pizza roller with this one up near the vent at the top of the screen. And then from there you should hopefully be able just to work around most of the edges. You've got to be careful not to apply too much force towards the glass but more under the glass. Otherwise, if you apply it directly towards the glass, more than likely instead of pushing the screen up and out, it'll end up just breaking the screen, and then you'll be up for a new screen as well. So bam, from there, once you're in, carefully lift it up, and you should see a few flex cables down below for the screen. Also, while you're at it, it's probably worthwhile disconnecting the battery. And currently what I'm planning on doing is, being I don't have any of the replacement power jacks for this exact mainboard on hand, I'm currently just going to put some flux in the back of the jack and solder it up from there to bridge the gap between the back of the power jack and the pin connecting to the mainboard. So this video is just going to play out from here, but this will give you a good idea what's going to happen. I do zoom in onto the location so you get a better view on what's happening. But yeah, I'll let the video play out from here. Hopefully if you've got one of these Mix 510s, this will help you out in the future when you encounter a no charge issue. Anyway, catch you in the next one. Bye.